Okay, so for this problem, which says two cars start moving from the same point, one travels south at 60 miles per hour and the other travels west at 25 miles per hour. At what rate is the distance between the cars increasing 2 hours later? I'll go ahead and start off by drawing a diagram. So this is one car and it's going west because never eat soggy waffles. So it's traveling west at 25 miles per hour. And then second car is traveling south at 60 miles per hour. So this kind of is shaping up to look like a triangle. I'll go ahead and draw the triangle out. So we're going to be using Pythagorean theorem because it's a triangle. And we're given the rates. We're not given like an actual distance. We're given the rates. So Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And if you differentiate this function with respect to time, you're going to get 2a dA over dt plus 2b times dB over dt equals 2c times dc over dt. Problem being is that we're only given two variables. That being dA over dt and dB over dt. So we're gonna have to work around that. All right. So the way I'm thinking that we can, oh, I don't know why it says it's increasing at 2 hours later. So if it's going 25 miles per hour, in 2 hours it would have traveled 50 miles. And then likewise with car B, it would have traveled 120 miles. There we go. 50. And then this is going to be 120. 120. So then now for a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we can find c. So I'll go ahead and plug it in. So that's going to be 50 squared plus 120 squared equals c squared. So 50 squared is going to be 2,500. 120 squared is going to be 14,400. And if you add these numbers together, it gives you 16,900. with c squared. So let's go ahead and undo the root. 130 is equal to c. Cool, so now we have our a, b, and c values. So now we can go ahead and solve for DC. So to do so, I'm going to go ahead and, we can just actually plug everything in. Yeah, since we have all of our values. Let's go ahead and plug all of our values in then. So I'm going to be using this right here. To the value that we found for A was 50. The value we're given for DA is 25. The value we are given for B, we found to be 120. DB is given as 60. And the value that we found for C was 30. And now we just need to solve for DC over DT. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it was 130, not 30 for C. So let's go. And then we got our value to be 65 dc dt. So then our answer would be the distance between the cars 2 hours later is increasing. Right. The distance between the two cars is increasing at a rate of 65 miles per hour 2 hours later. And that right there is our answer. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.